Good morning, my friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So I have breaking news. The exact deposit date for the next round of stimulus checks have officially been announced. The federal government is moving forward with sending out more financial assistance to low and middle income households across the United States. Payments worth up to $7,000 will be sent out very soon. So friends, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn who is eligible to receive these stimulus checks. Also, share this video on social media and with your friends and family. I will also be announcing the winners of this week's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway at the end of this video.
Talks about establishing justice, ensuring domestic tranquility, providing for the common defense, the general welfare, and the blessings of liberty. And each of these subcommittees do just exactly that. And with this continuing resolution, we not only keep government open, keep checks flowing to our veterans and Social Security recipients and the rest, but it's about, again, whether it's science at the National Institutes of Health, the education of our children, the protection of our environment. It's just a remarkable thing to think of all the things that we can do working together for the people. This comes at an especially sad time for us because of the destruction of Ida, and Madam Chair DeLauro was very much in the lead, working in putting together a bill in a very bipartisan way to help meet the needs. One of the fastest turnarounds in disaster occurrences, and people have told us that who are waiting for their receiving these funds. This is quite remarkable.
All right, my friends, so millions of Americans can expect a check worth up to $7,452 within the next few days. According to the Social Security Administration, supplemental security income payments are beginning to be sent out this very week. This means recipients of SSI benefits should be seeing their checks in the mail shortly. These payments totaling up to $1,657 has been sent out, which is great news for those that rely on these monthly benefits as their main source of income. The Social Security Administration recently announced that the average SSI payment has gone up from $587 to $621. SSI recipients include adults and children with a disability or blindness who have income and resources below specific financial limits. It is also important to remember, friends, that these payments are made to people aged 65 and older without disabilities, but who meet the financial qualifications. Many beneficiaries may also receive more in monthly benefits if they reside in a state that supplements the federal SSI payment. Amounts vary state by state, but for example, New York offers an extra $87 per month for individuals or $104 for couples. Elsewhere in the state of Alabama, couples receive an extra $120 boost. Back in December of 2021, SSI recipients started receiving an increased check to reflect the 5.9% cost of living adjustment. However, many of our lawmakers want to increase the monthly benefit checks even more. For millions of retirees, Social Security provides an essential source of income in retirement. In 2020, around 50 million retired workers collected Social Security benefits. And according to the Social Security Administration, a recent Social Security Trustees report finds that in the year 2034, retirees will start receiving a reduced benefit, and that's if Congress does not fix funding issues. So in other words, Social Security will exist after the year 2034, but retirees will only receive 78% of their full benefit starting then. To prevent smaller benefits for millions of Americans, our lawmakers in Congress are putting together new legislation. Also, House Democrats are reintroducing a Social Security reform bill, popular with their party. But this time, it features some changes that are aimed at attracting more support from Republicans. The bill, known as the Social Security 2100 Act, is being brought forward by Democratic Representative John Larson, who is also the chairman of the House Ways and Means Subcommittee on Social Security, Democratic Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, and House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Richard Neal have also announced their support for the bill. Representative Richard Neal urged other lawmakers to offset the concentration of wealth, which has become more prevalent in the United States, by embracing this Social Security proposal and extending the expanded child tax credit. This new version of the bill, called Social Security 2100 Act, follows the Social Security Administration's latest estimates that the trust funds that support the program will be depleted in just 13 years. The bill proposes extending that date to 2038 to give Congress more time to come up with a long-term solution to the program's solvency issues. The measure would also incorporate proposals made by President Biden during his presidential campaign. So friends, what are your thoughts on the Social Security 2100 Act? Do you think the legislation should be passed? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. In addition, this new bill combines President Biden's proposals with House Ways and Means initiatives to expand and enhance Social Security benefits. Just like President Biden's plan, the Social Security 2100 Act would set a higher minimum benefit for low-income workers. Benefits would be set at 125% above the poverty line and tied to current wage levels. There is also a benefit boost for both new and existing beneficiaries, amounting to about 2% of the average benefit. Friends, I definitely agree that monthly benefits for all Social Security beneficiaries needs to be increased as this crisis continues to affect our nation. Well, my good friends, you've come to the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I greatly appreciate all of you. The winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway are William Brown, Diana McDonald, and Danny Marshburn. Congratulations, my friends. Thank you so much again for everyone who is watching every day. Have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.